Hi, I'm talking to Rick Bauer of SNIA, who gave one of probably the most energetic and fun talks at a BoF that I've ever been to. So Rick, really enjoyed your talk. Everyone here in the room really enjoyed the free beer and crab cakes and snacks, so thank you. And your energy level was awesome, even at 8:30 at night. We really appreciated it, actually.
If you drink enough coffee, you can stay awake and be energetic.
Okay.
Right?
So how was your experience on the floor today? Did you guys see a lot of people?
It was great. I mean, SNIA is an end user association. We represent the industry of over 400 companies, and an event like Usenix, Lisa, is perfect for us because we run into folks who fly large storage systems.
Yep.
We want to know what their issues are. We want to know where the pain points are. We want to be able to get back to our board, talk to the member companies, say, look, these are the problems that folks are facing with this stuff. These are the solutions that you guys have to provide. And so it's a good thing for us. We love Ellie, we love Ann. The folks at Usenix are great.
Ann's
we
awesome.
love Baltimore. We love crab cakes. Yeah.
Crab cakes. Do you love ShamWow? Oh, wait, can I quote you on the fact that you're not dead? Okay, I'll take that as a yes.
Not Billy Mays.
Not Billy Mays, not dead.
Yeah.
But you have almost that energy level, but in a positive, technical way. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
I do have a question.
Sure.
Well, there are a few. The first one is, we talked a little bit about the difference in SNIA's education between, tell me, certification and qualification. Okay.
Yeah, at first it was hard for me to even understand it, and I'm running the program. But a certification is a high stakes, high value credential, usually aimed at someone who is a practitioner in the field to validate their skills, either to their own employers or if they're going to another job, saying, look, I have the skill set to be able to manage a data center, to be able to design a storage area network, I've got foundational level, I've got expert level skills in storage security, those kinds of things.
Yep.
And I think we're familiar with Cisco and Brocade and NetApp, companies that have high level certifications. You go to a Prometric location, you have a secure environment where you go online and you take that exam. What we found is a lot of people want to know conceptually. They're not flying a storage network,
right,
but they want to know what is virtualization in storage? What is data management? What's a good backup recovery strategy? Maybe they're in sales, they're in marketing, they're talking to C-level people about technology, and they don't want to know, we call it speeds and feeds in the weeds.
Gotcha.
They don't want to have that deep of a technical dive into it, but they still want to be correct. They want to make sure their acronyms are right, that they're reflecting current industry best practices. So we came up with the Storage Technology Elective Program, STEP.
Okay.
And then we have these qualification exams, and we've got e-learning curricula that you can, based on CD, you go through the classes, you learn the material. Really low cost, $29.95 for the material, and if you buy it today, no.
But wait, there's more. That was fun, by the way.
Our operators are standing by.
No, wait. Now earlier you said they weren't.
Our operators are passed out.
What did they actually came back in the past 15 minutes?
Yeah, but it's low stakes, low stress. You go to a website on your own computer, whether you're in your hotel room, from home, from the workplace. You log in, you take about a 40-question exam.
So that's the qualification level.
That's a qualification.
To the certification level, is that also online option?
The certification, no. The
you only do that in person?
Is a lot more secure,
right.
A lot higher stakes.
Okay.
The cost is different. The cost for a cert is about $220 to $230.
Whoa, are you serious?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
The qualification is less than $100.
I heard that too. That was great as well. But
the project management certification is $550. So
all right, I hear you.
So I know that one. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you a personal question. Sure. That was an awesome description of your offerings. I'm a person who's been an IT consultant for over 20 years.
Started when you were like 12, right?
Flatterer. No, I'm 43. I started when I was 21. But I have never had either a academic degree nor any certification. My work has stood on its own. I'm in the unique position of having people ready to pay for me to be certified in something because I've been disabled for a couple of years. I had a neck injury. I'm back. I'm better. Had massive neurosurgery. If I want a certification in something, tell me why SNIA might be the right kind of certification to have, and I can give you the hint that it's because it's vendor independent.
Well, and that's precisely what it is, Pam.
All right.
We think that if you want to prove that you know how to fly HP EVA equipment,
Yep.
HP's got a tremendous training program. However, when they try to train people on foundations of storage networking, what's SAN, what's NAS, what's iSCSI, what's fiber channel interconnects, they rely on our exams. They rely on our foundation stuff. We've got that reciprocity.
Good.
So we're not training on a particular product. We know that most storage network administrators they've got somebody's fiber channel stuff, somebody's iSCSI stuff.
Right.
They may have a tier of different kinds of storage, and no one company is going to be able to provide that. And so we are vendor agnostic.
That's
we
awesome.
try to include as much equipment. We have a technology center in Colorado Springs where we have a Noah's Ark there. We have one or two of every product from about 50 different companies. So
That sounds like a playground for people like us.
it really is. And so for people who've never seen, they wouldn't know a Host bus from a Greyhound bus. They think RAID is something you spray on cockroaches. You can actually go and see the stuff. You know how to connect a fiber into an HBA. You know how to connect that into a switch.
That's great.
Those sorts of things. So
Okay.
that's what we offer.
All right. My one last question, because I've been following a lot of the virtualization and cloud stuff here at the conference and the workshops and the trainings.
Good stuff. Yeah.
Some people, and there are all the high-end people are here, all the big brains, and they have acknowledged that there are things they're not actually sure what to do about, and one of them is storage in the cloud. Have you been following that stuff here at LISA, or I don't know if you're just vending or if you've
No, very
gotten
much
to sit
so.
in any of it?
SNIA about 6 months ago formed a cloud storage initiative.
Cool.
Because what we wanted to do, we saw proprietary APIs. I won't mention company names.
I know them. You know them.
But we saw that as hindering the development of open standards that other people can write to, either from public clouds or private clouds. We have extensive relationships with the university community.
Great.
This was a concern to them as well. SNIA has authored already the first cloud storage API spec. We're in version
Wow.
1.0, and so if people want to write to it, we'll have an SDK ready in about 2 or 3 months.
Is that stuff going to be available on your website?
Oh yeah, it's available free.
Great.
It's BSD licensed, so
Yay!
there's all kinds of cool reasons why we want people to write to this particular spec. We're really concerned about security. We have a security technical working group that's
Okay.
working on best practices already in this space, and we'll be having a full credential next year in storage security that will include cloud. So yeah, we're not only eagerly anticipating it, but we've got tremendous participants like Sun, like Microsoft, VMware, all the storage hardware providers, software
Great.
providers, all who have helped to grow this new development. And so see our cloud storage initiative. Get it, CSI.
Yeah.
We even have
woo-hoo.
we have t-shirts with the big block letters on the back.
Oh, now Rick, you told me about t-shirts.
No one will confuse us with police people. But
I'm a
anyway.
girl who wears t-shirts. I should hook myself up with that. But you got to tell, I actually must say I'm interested in that myself. That might be the cert for me. So
Great.
Thank you for talking to me. I'm going to let you go get a
you,
drink
Pam.
now. Thank you for your time.
Great. Thank you very much.